Hello, welcome to Moneysense. Okay, today we'll be treating a topic that is very important. I've got some people ask me, Mr. Ebuka, please. I'm a salary earner, but I'm thinking of a side hustle that I can use to compensate what I do now, because in Nigeria it's not easy to live. Alright, so in this video I've compiled top side hustles for salary earners in Nigeria. Top 5 hustles for salary earners in Nigeria. This doesn't necessarily mean you leave your work or your job, alright? But while doing this side hustle, you see that these are the things that is earning you more. You can decide to make that decision for yourself because it's personal. Now, salary in Nigeria finishes even before the end of the month, before you smell the end of the month. So now let me show you 5 smart side hustles you can start without quitting your 9 to 5. Right? So number 1 is freelancing, right, of digital services. Now, if you can write, design, edit videos, or even do proper voiceovers, start freelancing. Yes, use your phone. Yes, you don't need too much of gadgets, and free platforms like Upwork, Fiverr to start a side hustle. Now, number 2 thing you need to do is mini importation. I know this is already becoming a common thing, but I will advise you can start with that too. Now, with just 50,000 naira, you can start importing items from China and sell on WhatsApp or your Instagram. Alright, to think of accessories like perfumes, gadgets, Nigerian loves good deals. So if you have good items and then you give them good deals, you can start making money from there. And then number 3 is real estate affiliate. Oh, this is simple. It's just to help people buy land or property, and you earn as much as 100 to millions of commission per deal. It depends. Yes, no capital to start, just your mouth and connections. I personally recommend this for everyone because you don't need any capital to start. All you need is to get yourself affiliated with a reputable real estate company. Hear me well, reputable real estate company, and start marketing their property. Alright, you don't need to do much. Just recommend it to people. Don't hide your mouth. Recommend it to people. You don't know who needs that property. And then the next one is number 4, which is weekend trainings. Now, if you are good in baking, makeup, graphics, you can host online classes for people. Yes, even if Zoom works or Google Meet. Yes, teach people what you know and they get paid. Yes, you can charge a little money, and can you imagine charging 2,000 naira to learn a particular skill, and you have 500 people or 1,000 people in that class. You know what you are making from that class. Okay, now you can even start the number 5, which is faceless YouTube or TikTok. Alright, you start a faceless content channel, talk about money tips, talk about salary, survival, talk about Nigerian hustle, Lagos hustle, this state hustle, that state hustle. You can earn even in dollars. This is something that I will advise you to do. Alright, stop waiting for promotion. Start a side hustle now. Comment side hustle if you want part 2 or a full breakdown. Please follow Moneysense for more smart moves. Thank you.